Top 5 Best Small Bandsaw. Number 5. Bosch GCB10-5 Deep Cut Bandsaw. Bosch's GCB10-5 offers clean, nearly spark-free cuts, ideal for professional jobs requiring precise, burr-free results. This bandsaw is equipped with a robust 10-amp motor and has a cutting capacity of up to 4 3/4 of an inch in a single pass. Weighing only 14.5 pounds, it's easy to handle, especially for overhead or tight space cuts. The variable speed settings let you adjust the speed based on the material, enhancing precision. Bosch's compact design and ergonomic handles provide comfort, while the auxiliary handle offers more control for two-handed operation. The saw also includes an LED light and a hanging hook for convenient storage. Coming in number 4, Milwaukee 2429-21XCM12 Cordless Sub-Compact Bandsaw Kit. Milwaukee's 2429-21XC stands out for its compact size and lightweight design, making it ideal for one-handed use in tight spaces. Despite its size, it boasts a powerful motor that cuts through 3/4 inch EMT in just 3 seconds, and it's capable of up to 150 cuts per charge with the XC battery. It meets OSHA guarding requirements, making it safe for one-handed operation, and the LED light highlights the cutting area for better precision. While the included blade is suitable for most applications, some users have noted that Milwaukee could offer more blade options for specific needs. Coming in number 3. Makita XBP02Z 18-volt Portable Bandsaw. The Makita XBP02Z is another top choice, thanks to its high-torque motor and compact design. This model is part of Makita's expanding 18-volt lithium-ion series, known for the fastest charge time, meaning less downtime. Its variable speed control ranges from 275 to 530 feet per minute, making it versatile for various metal cutting tasks. It's perfect for professionals who need to cut materials like sheet metal, conduit, and pipes. The ergonomic design reduces operator fatigue, and the built-in LED light illuminates the workspace. The adjustable foot provides better support for more accurate cuts, making it a well-rounded tool for a wide range of applications. Coming in number 2. DEWALT DWM120K Portable Bandsaw. This DEWALT model is well suited for industrial-grade tasks with its 10-amp motor and 5-inch deep cutting capacity. Whether you're working with round or rectangular stock, this portable bandsaw ensures smooth, precise cuts. It's built to last with a steel shroud and rubber bumpers that protect it from the typical wear and tear of job sites. The variable speed dial allows you to adjust the speed from 100 to 350 surface feet per minute, depending on the material, making it versatile. Additionally, it features ergonomic handles, an LED sight light for precision, and a superior blade tracking system for increased blade longevity. Coming in number 1. DEWALT DCS374B 20-volt max bandsaw. The DEWALT DCS374B is a powerful 20-volt max brushless bandsaw that delivers reliable performance. Its 5-inch cutting capacity makes it perfect for various cutting needs, whether you're dealing with rectangular or round material. It's powered by a brushless motor, offering long-lasting durability and increased efficiency. The tool-less blade-changing lever allows for fast blade swaps, and the variable speed settings give users full control over the cutting speed. The integrated hang hook and LED work light make it a convenient tool to use in all work environments. It works with any DEWALT 20-volt max or flex-volt batteries, providing flexibility for users.